friends, NFL has announced Type B and Type C posts for BSc and MSc Chemistry. So before we go ahead, we'll see what is NFL, National Fertilizer Limited. It is a mini Ratna Central Public Sector company and they are looking for professional experience people. So let's see what all posts they have announced. They have announced two posts for chemistry people. One is a senior consultant agrochemical and other is a consultant agrochemical. So the senior consultant post is for MSc and the consultant post is for BSc. And what all remuneration they will give you, it's a quite good amount. You can see for senior consultant they are giving 90k per month, and for the consultant which is for BSc degree it is 35k per month. So it's a quite good amount. If you have the work experience in this field, you can definitely apply for this. And we'll see what experience they are looking for senior consultant. They are looking for 8-year experience in the field of agrochemical formulation and manufacturing plant. And the degree, as you can see, MSc in chemistry, or it may be a higher, preferably analytical chemistry. So if we are higher degree means if you have MTech in analytical chemistry or other degree in analytical chemistry, you are eligible for it. So basically MSc chemistry student, if you have experience in this field, they are looking at least 8 years of experience. So they will give preference to this. If you have less, you can apply, but they'll give the preference to those who are having 8 years of experience in this field. So senior consultant position for MSc chemistry. Consultant, you can see the qualification. It is for BSc chemistry as one of the subjects. So those who are having either from PCM background or for ZBC, both of you are eligible for this post. They want 5 years of experience here in the same field. If you have less experience also, you can apply. The preference will be given to 5 years, but you can apply for this post. So the period of engagement, you can see initially it will be for 1 year, but it will be extended based on your performance to another year. So they are giving a probation period here. Once it is your good performance, they will extend it. So what is the selection procedure? They are not having any entrance test here. It is just based on your personal interview. Once you are selected based on your qualification and experience, they will call you for a personal interview where you have to require to get at least minimum 50% marks in the interview. So if you qualify this, you are eligible for the post. Now how to apply this? So the application is, if you go to their website, NFL website, you will get the prescribed pro forma there. You can just fill the form with the attested copy of the certificates, like for your date of birth, your qualification, your work experience, and if you are currently working in any industry or field, that you have to get the relieving order also from your last employer. So, and the address you have to post it to the Batinda Punjab. The address is given here. The thing is, you have to do it fast because the application is open only for 15 days. Within 15 days, you have to send this. Then only they will consider your application. Otherwise, it will not be considered. So the last date, as you can see here, it is mentioned along with the duly filled application form should be reached in within 15 days. So you have to go to the NFL website for more details for application form and do it. And this is the advertisement number. You can from where I have referred it. The date is 21st October, announcement date. So you just go ahead with this advertisement. Go to the website, NFL website, and fill it fast. All the best. See you soon. Bye.